Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you have been watching my video, welcome back. I really appreciate your support. Today's recipe is one of my favorite because it is easy to make, costs very little, and use only a few natural ingredients. If you have been dealing with slow hair growth, too much hair falling, dandruff, itchy scalp, weak hair, or hair that keeps breaking, then stay with me until the end because I will explain not only how to make this spray, but also why each ingredient is good for your hair. I will also tell you what you may notice after using it for 1 week, 2 weeks, or even 1 month if you stay consistent. Remember, any hair does not go overnight. Hair needs time, good care, and patience. Natural remedies work best when you use them regularly. If you love simple homemade hair care recipe that use natural ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen, then this channel is for you. Please take a second to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. Our first ingredient is orange peels. Most people enjoy eating orange and throwing the peels away without knowing that they are packed with nutrients that can benefit both the scalp and the hair. One of the biggest reasons orange peels are good for hair is because they contain a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important because your body needs it to make collagen. Now you may be wondering, what is collagen? Collagen is a natural protein that helps support the structure of your hair. Think of it as one of the building materials that help keep your hair strong. When your body have enough collagen, your hair becomes less likely to snap or break. Hair that breaks less have a better chance to grow longer over time. Orange peel also contain natural antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your scalp and hair from damage caused by harmful particles called free radicals. These harmful particles can come from sunlight, air pollution, dust, smoke, stress, and even normal body process. Over time, the harmful particles can weaken your hair roots and make your hair look dry, weak, and lifeless. The antioxidant in orange peel help protect the scalp and create a healthier place for your hair to grow. Another amazing benefit of orange peels is that they help improve blood circulation in your scalp. Your hair roots need oxygen and nutrients every day. These nutrients travel through your blood. When blood flow improves, your hair follicles receive more oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy follicles are more likely to grow stronger and healthier hair. Orange peels also contain natural oil that help balance oil production on the scalp. If your scalp produces too much oil, that can easily build up and block the hair follicles. If your scalp is too dry, it may become itchy and flaky. Orange peels help keep the scalp balanced by gently removing excess oil without drying the scalp too much. Another reason why people like orange peel is because they have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means they can help reduce the growth of bacteria and fungi that may cause dandruff, itchy, bad smell, and scalp irritation. A clean scalp is one of the best places for healthy hair to grow. Orange peels also make your hair smell fresh, natural, so your own mist will have a pleasant citrus scent without adding artificial perfume. Our second ingredient is onion peels. Many people already know that onion juice is popular for hair growth, but what many people do not know is that the peels also contain full nutrients that are good for your scalp and hair. One of the most popular nutrients in onion peels is sulfur. Sulfur is a natural mineral that plays a very important role in healthy hair. Your hair is mostly made of a protein called keratin, and sulfur helps your body produce stronger keratin. Think of keratin as the brakes that build each strand of hair. When those brakes are stronger, your hair becomes stronger too. Strong hair is less likely to break when you comb it, wash it, or style it. Many people think their hair have stopped growing, but in many cases, the hair is growing. It is just breaking at the ends before they notice the length. By helping reduce breakage, sulfur gives your hair a better chance to grow longer. Another great benefit of onion peels is that they help improve blood circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrient reach your hair roots. Healthy hair usually grow stronger and thicker hair. Onion peels also have a natural antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp cleaner. When your scalp is clean, your hair follicles are less likely to become blocked by dirt, oil, and bacteria. This gives your hair a healthier environment to grow. Our next ingredient is bay leaf. Most people know bay leaf as a cooking spice, but they are also wonderful for natural hair care. Bay leaf contains natural oils and helpful plant compounds that support a healthy scalp. One of the biggest benefits of bay leaf is helping control dandruff. Dandruff is often linked to too much oil, fungi, dry scalp, or an healthy scalp. Bay leaf are also known for helping reduce scalp irritation. If your scalp often feels sore, sensitive, or itchy, bay leaf help calm it naturally. A healthy scalp is very important because every strand of your hair grows from the scalp. When the scalp is healthy, the hair follicles can work better. Bay leaf also help improve blood circulation. When more blood reaches your scalp, more oxygen and nutrients reach your hair roots. Healthy roots produce healthier hair. Bay leaves are also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants protect both your scalp and hair for for damage caused by pollution, sunlight and stress. Another benefit is that bay leaves help reduce excess oil on the scalp. Too much oil can trap dirt and clog your hair follicles. Keeping the scalp clean helps create a better environment for healthy hair growth. Many people also notice that their scalp feels cool, refreshed, and cleaner after using bay leaf treatment regularly. Our last ingredient is cinnamon stick. Cinnamon is more than just a spice for cooking. It also has many natural properties that are useful for healthy hair. One of the biggest reasons people use cinnamon is because it helps improve blood circulation. When you apply cinnamon to the scalp in the right amount, it creates a gentle warming feeling. These warming feelings encourage more blood to flow to your hair follicles. Your hair follicles depend on blood to bring oxygen and nutrients. Without enough nutrients, hair may grow slowly or become weak. Better circulation means healthier hair roots. Healthier roots often produce stronger and thicker hair. Cinnamon also contains antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect your scalp from damage caused by harmful particles. Protecting the scalp helps keep the hair follicles healthy. Cinnamon also have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. This property helps reduce germs that may cause dandruff, scalp irritation, and unpleasant smell. A cleaner scalp gives your hair a better chance to grow. Another wonderful benefit of cinnamon is that it helps reduce inflammation. If your scalp is swollen, itchy, or irritated, healthy hair growth may slow down. Reducing inflammation helps your scalp become healthier. Now let's prepare everything. You will need orange peel, onion peel, 2 or 3 bay leaves, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, about 2 cups of water. Place all the ingredients into a clean pot, pour in the water, bring everything to a boil. After it starts boiling, reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the water began to collect many of the helpful nutrients from the ingredients. After boiling, turn off the heat, allow everything to cool completely. Once it is cool, strain the liquid, pour into a clean spray bottle. Your natural hair growth spray is now ready. Store it in the refrigerator if possible. It can stay fresh for several days. Before using this spray, gently shake the bottle, part your hair into sections, spray directly onto your scalp. Do not forget the edges if you are trying to grow them back. You can also spray lightly on your hair strand. After spraying, use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. Massaging helps improve blood circulation even more. You do not need to wash it out. Leave it on your hair. You can use the spray once or twice every day. Consistency is key. Let's talk about what you may notice if you use the spray regularly. During the first week, your scalp may feel cleaner. Many people notice less itching. Some people also notice that their hair feels softer. By the second week, you may begin to see less hair falling during washing or combing. Your hair may also feel stronger. By the fourth week, some people began to notice tiny new baby hairs, especially around the edges. Their roots may feel thicker. Hair also look fuller and healthier. Remember, everyone is different. Some people see change sooner, others need more time. This way works best when you also take good care of your hair. Drink enough water, eat healthy food rich in protein, fruit and vegetables. Avoid using too much heat on your hair. Be gentle when combing your hair. Protect your hair while sleeping by using a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. Healthy hair starts from both inside and outside. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you learned something new today. If you decide to try this natural hair growth spray, let me know your experience in the comments. I would love to hear how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your family and friends who are looking for simple natural ways to care for their hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.